How to fix a lens error on a Nikon COOLPIX. Step 1. Power cycle the camera. Turn the camera off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. A simple restart can sometimes realign the lens mechanism. Step 2. Fully charge or replace the battery. Charge the battery fully, and if possible, try another battery, and then turn the camera on again. A weak battery may not provide enough power for the lens motor. Step 3. Check for dirt, sand, or debris. Turn the camera off, inspect the gap around the lens barrel, remove visible dust carefully, and use short bursts of compressed air around the lens housing. Step 4. Remove the battery and reset. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, reinsert the battery, and then turn the camera on. This can clear temporary electronic faults. Step 5. Check for misaligned lens. Look closely at the lens. Check whether one side has a larger gap than the other. If the lens is visibly crooked, very gently try to center it. But don't force the lens. Excessive pressure can permanently damage the gears. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.